Wanna save up for something fun or learn a skill when the day is done? Kaizen shows us how to grow. Step by step, that's how we'll go. Set a goal, make a plan. Little by little we'll understand. Money, learning, dreams so bright. Kaizen helps us do what's right. Kaizen, Kaizen, change for the good. Step by step, just like we should. Learning, saving, growing strong. Kaizen means progress all along. Let's say you want to save some cash. A little bit each week we'll stash. Tiny steps will reach the prize. Big success starts to arise. Want to learn to count or read? Practice daily, plant the seed. Kaizen's here to help you grow. Your dreams will bloom before you know. Kaizen, Kaizen, change for the good. Step by step, just like we should. Learning, saving, growing strong. Kaizen means progress all along. Goals are like a ladder to climb, one step at a time. It takes some time. Money grows when we plan and wait. Kaizen makes it all feel great. Kaizen, Kaizen, change for the good. Step by step, just like we should. Learning, saving, growing strong. Kaizen means progress all along. So set a goal and take a step. Kaizen's the key to your success. With little changes every day, you'll reach your dreams the Kaizen way.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let's count it.